Excel's highlight duplicate cells is highlighting values which are actually different. Simple test case. Create new workbook, format column A as text, enter the following into cells A1 and A2. Select column A, and in the conditional formatting submenu, select highlight cells rule duplicate values. Excel is highlighting these as duplicates, even though they are different. I suspect Excel is treating them as numbers and it becomes a rounding error, but I have specifically set to text format and visually see different values, so I'm not sure how to tell Excel to treat it as text.
Excel has a 15-digit limit to numerical precision, and as you've worked out your numbers have 16, so Excel is converting to a number and can't tell they're not duplicates, despite the fact you've marked them as text and put at the start of the numbers to signify a string. One workaround is to concatenate a letter onto the column of strings you are testing for duplicates. As you can see here, by adding A on the front of your string, Excel treats it as a real string.
Хорошо.